This model is for 150 milliliters medicine bottle production, approximately 20 cycle, approximately 2,160 units hour. High-quality steel plus advanced precision processing for long service life. With hot cutter, precise cutting reduces waste and saves raw materials. Within bottle rapid cooling pans, significantly accelerates product cooling. Equipped with in-machine turntable thread cutting machine and lower sprue trimming device, one-step product forming, no need for subsequent manual overflow trimming, boosting production speed. After overflow trimming, sprue waste and finished products drop into separate channels for easy collection. Full automation engineering pursues stable, high-speed production, requiring high coordination between functions and components.